1 point as well, 56. Progressing quite well. Bakary Sacco is probably our most expensive player on the team. He's on £40,000 wage budget, but he hasn't moved yet. Callum Harriott, he's on loan from Charlton Athletic. Look at that, we've got a few more stats on him. He's improved by 2. Jordan Cousins, we got him from Charlton Athletic as well. He's progressed by 1, but he's unhappy. I haven't paid this guy either. Connor, he's up by 1 as well. Michael Jacobs, something special, but I don't think I actually I've played him once. So, Hans Vigic, pretty good. He's very good, this guy. 1.5 million. Signed from him from Glasgow Rangers, but he still hasn't moved yet. Played him a couple of times. Sorry, once, and that was it. David Edwards, unhappy. Leroy Sané, pretty good striker. He can play left back as well. Left midfield as well, and just behind the striker. Still scored a couple of goals for us, which is good. Dico, he has scored 5 goals for us, and he's +2 at 22. Former Arsenal player here. Hasn't really scored many goals. He's only scored 3 goals as well. Kita is up by 2. And then you got Sigurdsson, which he's on loan, and he's at 68. That is my team. We are playing Norwich City in the next match. This is going to be interesting. So I might actually change the formation for this one. I might go back to my 4-3-3, which we actually won the last game with. Chuck him over there. We put him over there. Nilsson. Might play Nilsson. Actually, I might play. Let's have a look. Evans will come in. Let's play. There you go. That is the team we're going to go with against Norwich City. Of course, my team's a derby. Of course, I'm an Ipswich Town fan, if you didn't know. So how is that then, Naz? Does that help you? And yes, I have got 5 goalkeepers, but there you go. What can you do? Get rid of some. Here we go, Norwich City.
So without further ado, let's cross to Wolverhampton. Here's your commentary team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Hi there again, everybody. I'm Martin Tyler.
Can we make this a second defeat for Norwich City, as you just saw that? That's the team what we're going with. So, not too bad. We'll see what we can do with this team. And let's see the Norwich City team as well. Come on. Come on. Come up. Come up.
Made 1 change. Ryan Bennett replaces Russell.
Like I said, this is on Legendary as well, guys, if you didn't know. That's an interesting formation.
Isn't there? I think to the rivalry between these two teams.
Interesting.
We're going to see a match of real passion as well as skill.
The Evans, no pun, as I said.
And Evans. It's Price.
Oh. Ping. Villa's not playing.
Excellent positioning, and the interception is made.
Oh, no. Oh, that is a great tackle by Moore. That is awesome.
Now Evans.
Oh, there you go. Oof. Damn it. Oh, hello.
Got a chance to cross into the face of the opposition.
Get up.
Judgment there to make that
Ryan Bennett.
clear the ball away.
Terrible. So I hope that helps you, Naz.
Playing very well.
He is playing well.
Oh, you're having an laugh there.
and showing that consistently over the last few matches.
Hey.
Throw in here.
Evans. Oh, what the hell was that?
Wolverhampton Wanderers hoping that they can reach the same heights again as they did in their away win against Reading.
A bit lucky, I thought, in winning 2-0.
Ref.
The opposition could have easily got a couple of goals, and I think they are going to lose here today.
No, thanks. Commentators just said, I'm going to lose again. That's nice.
Opportunity to cross it now.
Oh, here we go. Good header.
Now Price.
You said that last time against Reading. Ha. And what happened? I beat them.
Gone in
Oh, here we go.
strongly.
That's it. Go right.
Right into the middle.
Cross coming in.
The
Oh,
centre came in. The defender
oh
was
yes.
well
Price.
placed to deal with.
Hit it.
And here's the shot.
Oh,
That's a good try. Beat the goalkeeper, beat the post.
so close there. Hi guys, if you're just joining us, you're watching Wolverhampton Wanderers career mode on FIFA 15. This is on Legendary, guys, and 5 minutes a half. So I hope you join the show.
Wes Houlihan. Bradley Johnson.
Bradley Johnson. Who?
Spaced across the ball now.
More like.
That cross
So I'm not going to swear against
cleared by
Norwich
the defender.
as they're our rivals. Come on. Who's running?
Chipping away this side, the home team, haven't they? 6 points from their last 5
Ping.
games.
Go on.
Spectacular,
Go on.
solid, and a basis to maybe kick on.
Ah.
Goal kick.
Come on, boys. What? Tackle Bauer.
The ball really didn't have to do too much to get it. It's a poor pass. Now they can use some width.
Go
It's
on.
a good pass.
That's good. That's good. Get on his left foot, and that was going near the corner flag than anything else. Oops. Never mind. So if you're enjoying the show, hit that follow button, that'd be great. One Price. Price. Oh, that's a great ball again. Make Whittaker work.
Defensive clearance that was.
Oh no.
Redmond.
Nathan Redmond. That's not
Wes
good.
Houlihan.
That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Oh, this. Oh.
Another goal from a player that they brought in
Ah,
this season.
shocking.
And
And of course, Norwich have taken the lead.
He's done himself justice. He's proved that
Damn it.
he was worth all the effort to bring him to the club. Well, I've missed a few of these in my time. It isn't as easy as it looks. But he made it look easy then, I've got to say.
well, this attack got a bit of
Cross.
menace to it. Now Evans.
Wow.
Need to try and get the ball back now.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Possibility
Corner.
for an equaliser from this corner.
Oh, what the hell's that to? Oh, we ran away from it. Why are you running away from it? Oh my god, here we go.
Nathan Redmond.
It's what we don't need.
Martin Olsen.
Martin Olsen.
Redmond.
How rude. Oh, Jesus.
Moves around
Come on.
nicely here with this passing.
No. Oops.
Free kick given.
God's sake. Coming in. Oh,
That's a good save.
good save,
By
keeper.
the keeper.
Yeah, he's anticipated it as well.
He can do anything about the goal though. Think. Oh, who the
Back, it's
hell
their
is
ball
that to,
again.
guys?
Through good intercepting
What are you
play.
doing? Tackle. Whoop.
Good position. They've worked this attack very well into a
See
quite a dangerous position now.
Corner.
They've got the corner now.
That's what we wanted. Let's go for. Yes. Oh.
That's a pity. The coaches well, they'll be pleased
Nothing.
in one way, Alan, because it made the chance, but it was a chance badly wasted.
Yeah, and it's one of those set
Come on,
pieces
boys.
you can only use
Still
once because the
1-0 to Norwich.
know all about it now, and they needed to
That's
score
not
from it.
good.
Bradley Johnson.
That wins, isn't it? No. Come on. Travel. Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
That's half-time at 1-0.
Cardiff.
Half-time.
I wouldn't do Norwich.
Very well matched in every respect, isn't it? With the
Because
way they
Cardiff
played
didn't
and
go
the
up, did they?
efforts and goal they've had.
Go with Cardiff.
So, and it might just come down to which goalkeeper is in the better form.
Right.
So we reach half-time with the score 1-0. Let's take a look at the highlights from that first half, and then we'll be straight back to your commentary team for the rest of the game.
Substitution coming up.
The start now of
Harrett
the
and
second-
McDonald are on for the second half. Come on.
Giroud. To Johnson. Olsen.
Oh, oh, oh. Get away. Get away.
Going. He's got
No.
the goal. Made the save, but the ball's still there.
Oh no, what you do? Oh, Jesus.
It's one back.
No.
Well, he will say
that's all right.
the ball should have come quicker.
I don't
He's
mind that.
offside.
Yeah, you do have to take a chance when you play that kind of game, but they're confident in the way that they're regimented at the back.
That is Vučkić.
Boom.
Kevin McDonald.
Nearly through. Nearly got it through. Where's my left back gone?
Whittaker.
No. Come on. Keeper.
It's
Get that
not
ball.
really going to get the better of him from that range, especially when he can see it all the way.
Sit.
That is Vučkić. They've got the ball back through a very good interception. Nathan Redmond.
Don't look good at the moment.
Indicating he wants to make a substitution now.
Ah, come on.
Alexander Tete.
Oh no, no.
Keeping the move going. Got to be.
Keeper.
He might be needed
Why
to
didn't you
get the
save
goalkeeper.
it? Catch the damn ball.
They've got the ball in the middle of the pitch here. Now Johnson.
Defender just didn't get set, wasn't in the right position.
Well,
Oh,
that's wide
hello.
the game
Keep
here.
up.
They've got it to the wide
Sit.
man well.
Wait.
That is Vučkić.
And where's his support? Oh, it's coming.
Well, he's played it into the wide area there, played it well.
Oh. Go.
Kevin McDonald.
Oh, come on.
Giroud. Bradley Johnson.
Bradley Johnson. Oh. Keep up.
And the goalkeeper can
Quickly.
maybe think about starting an attack.
Come on. Run it. Run it.
Kevin McDonald. And the player working hard to stay in possession. Well, here's a chance.
Penalty ref.
Corner. They're a goal down.
Come on. Yes.
Headed
No.
on, away from danger. Now Price.
No Price.
He's looking for some support. Closed him down well.
Ah.
Price doesn't come in. Good defending. McDonald. What we have, we hold. And that's going to be the message until the final whistle if they're successful, Alan.
Hooper's now on for Norwich City.
Back and help out.